Ready to dive into the world of crypto and add XRP to your portfolio using Revolut? Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Revolut app installed and you're logged in. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from your app store. Now, tap on the Crypto tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to the cryptocurrency section of the ad. Use the search bar at the top and type in XRP. You should see it appear in the list of available cryptocurrencies. Tap on XRP. This screen gives you an overview of XRP's current price and performance. To buy, simply tap the buy button. Now, enter the amount of money you want to spend on XRP. You can either type in a specific amount or use the and buttons to adjust it. Remember that crypto values can fluctuate, so invest responsibly. Review the details of your order, paying close attention to the estimated amount of XRP you'll receive and any associated fees. If everything looks good, tap confirm. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased XRP on Revolut. You can now view your XRP balance in your crypto wallet. Keep an eye on your investment and remember to do your own research before making any further decisions.